Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use advanced Google research commands. Today I'm going to show you how to use the all in text, all in URL, and the at function at command for Google research. Since I am still doing the topic of sports psychology, I'll use this command right here for the wrong one, sorry. I'll use this command right here, the all in text command. I would paste it into a Google search link, and I would type sports psychology links. From there, it would bring up all these different links that resort with the words sports psychology in it, like this and like that. And it would bring up different research topics I can use to gain data. Same as the all in URL command, which is right here. I would copy and paste all in URL into a search tab, and then I could put a link for them. They put the Amazon URL, and it would search for the drawing tablets, as I just did sports psychology as a broad topic, and it brought up all topics and URLs all websites that were talking about sports psychology. And then there is also the at function, which is right here. So since I am talking about sports psychology, I would put sports psychology here, and it's able to search social media for anything that relates to this. So, for example, they looked up mangoes, and they looked it up on Facebook. I also looked mine up on Facebook, and it brought up all sports psychology Facebook accounts right here, as you can see. And yeah, that's it.